Dear student, in this video, we will teach you how to use the EZO Academia system. Registration. Open the Google homepage and create a shortcut to the website app.ezoacademia.com. Click the shortcut icon. Enter your academic email address, not your personal one, and click Continue. A sign-in link will be sent to your email. Open your academic email and click Sign In. Click Student, confirm your selection, and click Continue. Install the extension from the Chrome Web Store as shown. When finished, return to the System tab and refresh the page. The system is now ready for use. Let's begin. Open a new document, write the title of your paper and the course name in the language you are using for the paper, and click Create Document. The default settings of the text editor are aligned with academic standards regarding font type and size, paragraph spacing, and margin width. Start writing your paper. At the end of a paragraph that relies on a bibliographic source, click Add Citation. You can choose to add a new source or select one you have already used, saving you the time of filling in all the fields from scratch. Specify whether the source is digital, such as an online source or a shared folder, or a physical source such as a printed book. If you selected a digital source, fill in its details and click Go to Source. Scroll to the source title and click Capture. Scroll to the exact paragraph you relied on, click Capture, mark the paragraph. Click Save. Click Done if you have finished or captured to mark an additional paragraph. Confirm the screenshot. The system has generated a citation and a bibliographic entry for you in accordance with the APA 7 standard, saving you a great deal of time and effort. Repeat this process for all citations in your assignment. Editing citations. Double-clicking the citation allows you to edit its details, except for the URL and the screenshots. Physical source. If you selected a physical source, the system will generate a QR code for you. Scan it with your mobile phone and follow the on-screen instructions. Photograph the book cover or the page containing the title and confirm the image. Photograph the page that contains the paragraph you relied on, mark it, and confirm the image. You may mark additional paragraphs in the same way. When finished, click Finish and Upload. Adding the dialogue with an AI tool. If you used an artificial intelligence tool during your work, you can attach a link to your dialogue with the tool in your paper as follows. Open a new session. It is very important to do this so that the reviewer will see only your chat related to the paper. At the end of the session, click Share and copy the session link using the designated icon in the system. Writing a group paper. If the paper is being written by more than one student, you can designate your colleagues as editors by adding the email address they used to register in the system as follows. Restoring previous versions. At any time, you can view and restore previous versions of the document as follows. This is usually helpful in cases where you have deleted certain content and want to recover it. Pasting external content. The paper must be written exclusively within the system. Writing the paper on another platform and then pasting it, or pasting any external content, will mark the pasted content with a red dashed underline. You will also receive a notification informing you that the system has detected externally pasted content, and the action has been recorded in the version history, which is accessible to the reviewer. Deleting the pasted content will not remove or alter the record of the paste action in the version history. The version will be marked with a red flag and labeled Text Pasted. By opening that version, the reviewer will be able to view the pasted content, even if it has subsequently been deleted from the paper, as previously noted. Submitting the paper. Click Submit in the text editor or in My Documents. Save the assignment in a folder. The assignment status will change to Submitted. This is how the document will appear upon submission. Send it to the reviewer according to your institution's procedure, either by email or through the learning management system. After submitting the paper, it will no longer be possible to make changes to it. If changes to the paper are required, you must duplicate the paper, make the necessary changes, and submit the new version upon completion. Paper review. When the reviewer clicks any citation, a window will appear containing 4 pieces of information. The first is the bibliographic source title as you entered it. The second is a link to the source itself. The third is a screenshot of the source title, to allow comparison with the title you provided. The fourth consists of the screenshots of the paragraphs you marked, enabling the reviewer to understand the logical connection between them and the corresponding content in the paper. At the end, the reviewer will evaluate how you used AI tools in preparing the paper. The reviewer will write comments next to the relevant sections. Once the review is complete, the status of your assignment will change to Reviewed, and you will be able to view both the assignment and the comments. Whenever you wish, you can save the full version of the assignment as a PDF file. Please note that this is for personal use only and not for submission. At any time, you can click the Help and Support button to watch the current tutorial video or to chat with Izzy, your digital assistant. Good luck!